Good evening, all of. My name is Pooja Subhash Patil. Uh, today's today's date is 13 December 2022, and today's fire topic name is directives of a angular. So let's discuss what is angular. Angular is a fourth. It is used to in a web framework of front web development using in a HTML. Then there it is faster, lightweight HTML templates and components by used dynamically applications. Then the directives in Angulars are a fundamental development concept. Discuss one by one. In Angular, the directives are defined as classic that can add new behavior to the elements in the templates or modify existing behavior. The purpose of directives in Angular is to use the in DOM, be it by adding new elements to DOM, to removing elements, and even changing the DOM elements. Then what is mean by the directives in Angular? The directives are meaning is a function that execute when found in the DOM by the Angular compiler to extend the power of the HTML with new syntax. The directives have a name and can be predefined or custom defined, so that they can be called anything. The dependency on the performed is the directives use is determined attribute, comment, element or class. Then types of a directives in a Angular. The directive in a Angular can be categorized the following parts. First one is a component directives, structural directives, and last one is a attribute directives. The consider each directive of a Angular. This is types of a separately. Then first one is a component directive. The component directive, it is especially a directives in Angular are called components. This is of directive has a template or template URLs. Then it is a component directive that showing in a DOM. Then structural directive. The structural directive, it is a type of a directive. It is used to make changes in the layout of the DOM elements, can be added or remove the changing the structure of a DOM. Then it is used to adding or removing elements for the DOM or elements of the every iteration. Then last one is a attribute directive. This is type of a Angular directive is used to make behavior or element changes in the appearance and behavior of an element. For example, ng style, it is applying for the style structures, and for example ng class, it is applying for the many classes. Then explorer, the attribute directive, some making own attribute directives. Then the purpose of the attribute directive, it changes the text color whenever the pointer is over it. Then the custom directive is very similar to create the Angular component. The custom directive is created using the directive decorator to replace the component decorator. Then the create a class with the directive. Then we can attribute directive with element references. Then we can listen the event of a directives. That's all about the today's topic, Angular directives. I hope you can understand. Thank you.